Hey guys, Kyle from J.Racenstein, and we've got a HydroPanel install for a retrofit of an existing skid. So this customer, busy drones cleaning, has brought his van in here. He's got a really nice skid inside, really high quality build, lots of good components on here. They only have DI tanks in the back here. So you can see they have double DI, and that's gonna get you 0 parts per million, but the problem with that is you're gonna burn through resin like crazy. So some of the jobs he's doing, he's got TDS as high as 700, and both of those tanks were going through resin from brand new to completely used in less than a day. And that's $400 of resin right there. So that's more than $400 a day of resin costs that he was burning through just to keep up with his drone cleaning skid. So he came over, he hit us up, we added a HydroPanel 4.5 on here. So we wall mounted it, plumbed it into his existing skid, reworked the plumbing on here to go through his input reel, through his inlet filtration, through the HydroPanel, and that's going to use 2 high flow RO membranes, a pump, all that, produce 4.5 gallons a minute of RO water before it hits those DI tanks. And those ROs are going to take out more than 90% of all of the TDS and dirt, minerals, and all that before it ever touches the resin tanks. So when we've done these retrofits and people have come with DI tanks and we've added these HydroPanels in for them, we've seen them go from just 1 or 2 days of resin life to 3 months on the exact same tank setup they have. And he's got the added benefit of 2. So he was burning through 2 in a day, and now we should see at least 3 to 4 months on those 2 with the RO system in front of it. And it produces 4.5 gallons a minute. So you're gonna produce that much going into the tank. He's got 200 gallons of pure water on this setup. And that's gonna last with a 5.5 gallon minute pressure washer, a net consumption of about a gallon. It's gonna give him 200 minutes of spray time. And every time he takes a break, he brings the drone down, changes his batteries out, it's gonna produce 4.5 back in. So he was saying it's gonna take about 10 minutes to change the batteries out between stopping spraying, landing it, swapping the batteries, getting back up in the air and getting ready to clean again. About 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes on the low side. So at least 10 minutes, which is about 45 gallons of water is going back into that tank, which is gonna give him 40 more minutes of spray time. So a 10-minute break is gonna add 40 more minutes. He only flies about 20. So 20 minutes for flying, 10 minutes for a break. That's only 30 minutes, 40 minutes going in, 40 minutes of flight time of water going in. So he'll always be overproducing, filling more water on his brakes than he'll ever consume coming out while he's flying his drone. So basically with this system, he's got the benefits of an RO system, not paying all that money on resin and still outperforming his consumption rate for his drone cleaning. Basically doesn't have to worry about cost to produce pure water anymore and has virtually endless pure water on his rig. Another cool thing we did on here is we've replumbed some of it. We changed around the inlet. We changed around and added another valve for his pressure washer. So what he can do is he can choose between pure or dirty water on that pressure washer, and we've moved the bypass around. So when he wants to do flat work or he doesn't want to do window cleaning, he just moves his suction, his bypass line, and he gets dirty water and bypasses dirty water back into the right tank, and he can draw pure water and bypass pure water back into the pure water tank, and he doesn't have to worry about contaminating any of his pure water. So prior to this, it was set up to bypass dirty water or bypass the pure water when it was pulling that back into a dirty water tank, and all of that water, that purified water, all that resin cost was going right into a contaminated tank. So a couple of cool things we've done on here. HydroPanel 4.5 going into the dual DI tank is going to last plenty of months. It's going to save him a ton of money on resin over the next 3 to 4 months. The first time you go to swap that out, you've already made all your investment costs back on that HydroPanel.